Okay, I'm going to make a quick video, see if this will help somebody. As I was out looking online to see what people were doing to install their LCD screen kits on their FlexBosses, I found that a lot of folks were installing them with adhesive double back tape or Velcro or something here or here. And I thought, well, I just wasn't too thrilled with any of those options. But I got looking at the back here, took the screws out, and thought, well, what if I just cut a hole using my DeWalt jigsaw? And that worked out really nice. So it's now part of the lid. These screws have plenty of threads to engage after you cut it out and install it this way. It also provides a lot of room for the cable to come through as long as you drill or cut your hole in the right place. I've just 45'd it, and then I've used 2 of the 4 clips that are included with the kit. One upright and one the other direction, so that it kind of captures it when the door moves. It doesn't try to pop out. I did have to use the long cable that came with the kit as well as the short cable. And these adapters, I've got one just behind the shroud here. Essentially you have 3 pin headers. The bottom 2 you don't want to unplug. They say that'll void your warranty, but you can just pull the ribbons down out of the way to access the top pin header. You unplug that cable now has enough room to hang down. You attach one of these adapters to it, attach the short cable to that, run it through this hole, put your shroud back on, and it's that simple. So anyway, just thought I'd make a quick video, let people know there are other options. And one thing I'll mention too is a lot of folks online have varying opinions about whether this is worth the money, whether it's a waste of time. I like having it because if the internet goes out, you can't get to the EG4 monitor online. I don't want to depend on that website to control my system. And I've only had this up and running for about 2 weeks, and I've already had one outage that way. It wasn't me, it was them having an outage, so it took an hour and then I could get back in. The other thing is you can use your mobile phone with Bluetooth and connect to, if you've got these eWi-Fi dongles here, you know, I've got them on both my GridBoss and my FlexBoss. But again, I don't want to rely on Wi-Fi, my phone app, and all of that. Having something hardwired gives me a good display. It gives me some nice menus to sort through, and it's pretty easy to use. So, highly recommend it at this stage. Anyway, hope this is helpful to others who are considering their options. Best of luck to you.